Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on wherever you're watching me from. All right, this is Healthy Aging with Annie, and here we talk about how things that you experience as you're aging as a woman. And we also talk about men, but our focus is more on women. All right. So far, I've been looking at perimenopause, the symptoms. We have looked at the symptoms and then those things that you can do, lifestyle changes that can help you as you go through the transition phase. All right. Now, in my previous video, if you have been following me, you'll notice that I talked about perimenopause and your eyes, the causes, and how it affects you if you're experiencing it during perimenopause. But today we are going to be looking at those food that is good for your eyes during perimenopause and after perimenopause symptoms, all right? So if you're watching me live, please say hello and let me know where you're watching from. And thank you also for watching me. And if you're watching the recorded version, you can still do the same. Note it down, like our page, click on the follow button so that you can always get notification whenever I am live. And don't forget to drop your comments as well. We appreciate that as well. All right. So perimenopause, a lot of symptoms comes with it. And most people don't know that it can also affect the eyes. Like I said in my previous video, it can cause dry eyes. And that is where you notice when you go to the hospital, they can give some people this eye drop. They call it eye tear. They will give you to put in your eyes because of that dry eyes that it has caused. All right. And it can also cause blurry vision, that it will make you not to see things very clearly, and it causes double vision for some people as well, and it can also increase your risk of eye disease. So perimenopause symptoms can cause all this, but doing lifestyle changes and then trying to eat the right food, doing exercises can help you. I think there was a time I did a video on the eyes, all right, eye exercise. I don't know, I'll try and look for that video on my page and maybe bring it up again. But if I can't see it because the videos are much, I will I'll do another video on that again. All right. So welcome once again to Healthy Aging with Annie. Today, like I said, let's look at those best food for your eyes, the food and fruits that you can take for your eyes that will help your eyes. All right. A great deal. Now, as a result of these perimenopause symptoms, it comes with a lot of hormonal changes, that can affect your eyes, all right? And it can affect your eye health. Now, a balanced diet that is rich in essential nutrients can help to maintain your healthy vision, all right? So, and that is what we are going to be looking at. What are those best food that you can take for your eye health? What are those best food that you can take for your eye health? One of those best food is leafy greens. Leafy greens is a food, excuse me, is a food that you can take any time of the day. We can get a lot of green vegetables anywhere. All right, you can get spinach, you can get kale, you can get collard green. They are very, very good for your eyes. So always add this to your diet. You can get we have a lot of ugu leaves. We have a lot of vegetables that you can add to your diet. They are very, very good for your eyes. So add it to your diet. The next one is fatty fish. Fatty fish is super, super good. If you're online, just say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. All right. Thank you. And drop your message. Now, fatty fish is very, very good. Fatty fish like salmon fish, tuna fish, sardine fish, mackerel fish, they are rich in high omega-3 fatty acid. Now, for people that feel, oh, okay, because of their busy schedule and they're always on the move, they might not be able to get all these things, all these fish and eat it. You can supplement it. And that is why I take this my Arctic Sea. I don't joke with my Arctic Sea. This Arctic Sea contains omega-3 fatty acid that is rich in powerful this RTC contains omega-3 fatty acid, all right, that is also rich in powerful antioxidant and is also good for your eye health. It's super good. It contains rich fatty fish, all right. This you can take it like 2-3 times a day or two times a day. I always have this in my handbag so that it comes handy whenever I notice that, oh, I've not taken any fatty fish for the day. I just throw it into my mouth and it's good. I'm good to go. All right. So try and get a good you can get something good that contains omega-3 fatty acid, or you can make sure you don't miss this fish that is high in fat, this fatty fish that is also high in omega-3 fatty acid, like the ones I mentioned: sardine fish, tuna fish, mackerel fish. You can get these ones and it will come handy. It will help you. But if you're the busy type, then you can get this. And if you want to know how to get this, you can just WhatsApp me on 08034005928. I'll put my number on the screen so that you can get it and I'll tell you how to get it. The next one is nuts. Food that is good for your eyes again is nuts and seeds. They are very good. Almond nut is super good. Sunflower seed, pumpkin seeds, they are very good. Even cashew nut. These are nuts that are rich in vitamin E and zinc. All right, they are super good. You can always get these nuts around from any supermarket. Just walk into any supermarket, you can get them. And there's this market, they always people come to sell things. You can always go there and you will get them. They are very good. Get them and add it to your diet. The next food that is rich and good for your eyes is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are very good because they are rich in vitamin A. All right, so you can get sweet potatoes. They are super good. They are rich in vitamin A. The next one is avocados. Avocados are very good. They are rich in they also contain omega-3 fatty acid that you can use, and they are high in lutein. All right, you can use them. And then there's this one that I am using. You can also supplement for your eye health. This is eye vision. It's super good for people that are having dry eyes, people that are having blurry vision, even cataract and glaucoma. It's very good. For eye disease, it's super good. You can use this, and if you want to know how to get it, just WhatsApp me on 08034005928 and I'll tell you how to get it. The next food that you should add to your diet that is also very good is whole grains. Whole grains are super good because they are rich in fiber and antioxidants, and that is what you need for your eyes. All right, so if you look at what I've been talking about, what I've been saying so far, you notice that it also boils down to lifestyle changes. So for some of us, I'll be like, why all these things for the eyes? Is it necessary and all that? Yes, it's necessary. When you give your eyes the healthy food that it needs, the balanced nutrient that it needs, you will not be having these symptoms like dry eyes, like blurry visions, like, except maybe for people that in their family, we have this family history, that they have this glaucoma, cataract. You have it in your family, and then you might notice it, but you can still manage and control it, and you can use this. All right, if you do practice a healthy lifestyle and give your eyes that nutrient that it wants, that eye disease will not go beyond the stage that it is. Instead, you will manage it, maintain it, and continue to live your life normal. All right, so try and get this food. Now you can go get brown rice, you can get whole wheat. They are very good. Then this quinoa grains, you can also get them. They are super good, and it can help you a great deal. All right, now there are some fruits that are also very good for your eyes. There are some fruits that is good for your eye health. And you notice our eyes, nothing should happen to it, because that is what we use for everything. So it's very, very important, and that is why it's important that if you're already experiencing perimenopause symptoms and you notice dry eyes, please don't hesitate to go for checkup. Even if you did not notice it, if you are seeing blurry visions, please don't hesitate to go for checkup. It's very important. All right. I've seen cases. In fact, there was a time I took my mother to the hospital for her eye checkup. All right. And when we got there, that was some months back. When we got there, after doing all the necessary checkup and the rest, the doctor now recommended this eye vision. I was just laughing. Good. The doctor does not even know I have this, all right? The doctor now recommended this eye vision for her to use. I was laughing. So I now told him, I said, well, doctor, don't worry. I can get it for my mom. This is what I have, all right? And he also recommended one other one for her. He recommended two actually, that we can get any of it, all right? And when I saw my eye vision there, I was like, wow, this is beautiful. And I had to get get this for my mother, all right? So we have so many doctors, we have a lot of people that come to meet us and say, oh, their doctor recommended this eye vision for them, and they are using it and they are doing well, all right? So this is very, very important that you take care of your eyes. Let's look at best fruits. Best fruits for your eye health. Berries are very, very good. I love berries a lot because they are packed full with powerful antioxidant and vitamin C. So any berries you see, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, just eat it. They are expensive, but it has to do with your eyes. So don't joke with it. And that is why this is packed full. It contains a lot for your eyes. This is packed full. All right. So I don't joke with this. I don't, you can see I'm still shaking it. This is the one that, you see it. This is the one that is open that I'm using. So you can see it. It's open. This is what I'm using. All right. So I don't joke with it. This eye vision, because it's very, very important. It's very, very important. My eyes, every one of us, our eyes is very important to us. So we need this nutrients for our eyes. So eat blueberries, strawberries, any berries that you come across, please eat it. Another fruit that is very good for your eyes is the citrus fruits. We have oranges, we have grapefruit, we have lemon. They are high in vitamin C. So please add it to your diet. It's very, very important that you do that. Then the next one is apples. Apples are very, very good also. Add it to your diet because they also contain this powerful nutrient that is good for your eyes. So add apples to your diet. Then pineapples. Pineapples are high in vitamin C and manganese. Add it to your diet. It's very, very important that you do this because it will help you a great deal. Then papayas, which we all know as pawpaw, it is rich in vitamin A and potassium. So add this to your diet. These are fruits that you need. Now, there are some additional nutrients that you need, which I've mentioned earlier, but I'll quickly repeat it. Omega-3 supplements, you see, is very, very good. Now, these two combined is good for your eye health. So whether you are already experiencing perimenopause symptoms, whether you are a man, whether you are a woman, this too is used by both men and women. So you don't need to wait until when you start experiencing perimenopause symptoms before you start taking care of your eyes. Men already, they don't experience perimenopause, but then they experience other eye issues, so they can use it. All right. So omega-3 supplements are very good, and then vitamin D supplements that are rich in vitamin D, they are also very good. And this one contains it. All right, it contains all what you need. So you can see this, my eye vision is super, super good. All right. Then zinc is also very important that you get a zinc supplement. Okay. And then there are other supplements that are also very good. Now, what are the tips for healthy eyes? Let's look at that. Tips for healthy eyes. You need to eat a balanced diet. It's very, very important. I hope my network is not is not misbehaving. For those watching me live, please say hello so that I'll know if my network is okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet is very, very important. That is one of the tips for a healthy eye. All right. And then stay hydrated. Always drink water. Most of us, we find it difficult to drink water. So you can get this measurement bottle. All right, this bottle, it will help you a great deal. Just target it that you can try to drink at least 3 to 4 bottles of this on a daily basis. When I use my glass cup to measure this, I got about 3.5, all right, of the glass cup. So that is how I got to know that, okay, I can drink like 3 or 4 bottles of this on a daily basis. And it has been helping me. So if you're the type that you're always on the road, you can get something like this and you always refill it. Or you can get your bottled water. Or if you're the type that you're using sachet water, you can target at least 10 sachet water, 10 to 12 sachet water on a daily basis. Then for that small bottled water, that they are now selling for 200 naira. God will help us soon. Chai, something that we used to buy 15 naira, then 100 naira, 150, 200. Wow. All right. I just hope it will not get to 300 soon. All right. That water, the half one, not the big ever, the small one. All right. You can take that one at least 10 bottles or 8, between 8 and 10 bottles, okay? So just try and make sure you stay hydrated. It's very, very important. Then avoid smoking. Avoiding smoking will help your eye health. It's very important. Then limit screen time. I've said this before in my previous video. Limit screen time. And then get a regular eye exam. Always make sure you go for your eye exam, all right? Always make sure and try as best as possible to eat leafy greens and fatty fish to support your eye health. They are very important. In summary, get leafy greens and fatty fish. Like I said, if you cannot get your fatty fish, you can go for this Arctic Sea. Is super, super good. All right, I can tell you how to get it. And then this eye vision is also together like this, is also very good. And if you're experiencing perimenopause symptoms, then you can add the Vitalize for women. So these three together will help you take care of the perimenopause symptoms, your eye health, and also it helps. This Arctic Sea is not just for the eye alone, it's also good for the cardiovascular health, it's also good for the nerves, it's also good for inflammation and joint, all right? And it helps also to promote healthy cholesterol and reduce the bad ones. So you can see that you're giving your body that nutrient that it needs, okay? Berries are also very good. Incorporate it into your diet. And then fruits that are rich in vitamin C, like I mentioned earlier, oranges, lemon, pineapples, okay? And then add omega-3 and vitamin D supplements to your diet to support your eye health. Supplementation is good because it will help your body and your eyes get that nutrient that it needs as you pass through this aging process, okay? Then a balanced diet and a healthy habit, you need to maintain it. All right, you need to maintain it. And what do I mean? Doing lifestyle changes, exercising, maintaining a healthy lifestyle changes, eating right is very, very important. I know some people will say, oh, in this regime, at least we can still buy ugu for 200 naira. Add it to your rice and you are good to go. With your portion control, add your rice, let your vegetables be more than the rice, and then with a protein, all right, you can put fish and we are good to go. And you can choose to put a boiled egg and we are good to go. You have eaten vegetables for that day, all right? So it's something that we can minimize it and try to work around our budget, because na person wey is strong na im dey hustle, na person wey eye dey see na im dey see road dey count money, alright? So that money we are chasing, we still need to also note that we need these eyes and we need this balanced diet and we need this healthy body to be able to chase it. So it's very, very important. Sometimes I laugh when people come here and say, they never chop na dem go come dey buy supplement. No. What about somebody that is not feeling fine? Will the person have the strength to go out and get that money? So you need to look at the other side as well, okay? So in conclusion, a well-nourished diet, all right, that is rich in essential fruits, vegetables, and nutrients can help you to maintain a healthy vision during and after perimenopause. So it doesn't mean that after perimenopause symptoms have stopped and all that, then you don't need to take care of your vision again. No, you still need to continue. Remember I said it can cause dry eyes, blurry vision, even double vision, and it can increase your risk of eye disease. All right, so to avoid all this, you need to incorporate all these foods into your diet, into your daily routine. All right, anytime you take one spoon to eat, just remember, ask yourself, is this the right food I should take for my eyes, for my body, to nourish me? Is this healthy for me? All right, so please try as best as possible to practice this healthy lifestyle. It will help you a great deal. And if you want to know how to get any of this, you can just WhatsApp me, like I said, on 08034005928, and I'll tell you how to get it. So if you are yet to click on my follow button, please do so. We are on YouTube, Healthy Aging with Annie, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, Healthy Aging with Annie. Please click on the follow button and follow us. Drop your comments, and then if you want to private chat me, my number is on the screen there. You can WhatsApp me, WhatsApp only, please. You can WhatsApp me and we can talk further. All right. Click on the follow button so that you can also get notifications whenever I'm live like this, and for you to get more health tips. All right. You know, we are all very busy, but we still need that time also to take care of ourselves. Thank you very much. Once again, this is Healthy Aging with Annie. See you again in my next video. Bye.